Hello, this is Erin from the Community Library of DeWitt in Jamesville. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the birds that are keeping me sane and happy while I am inside my apartment, keeping distance. There are several avian interactions that I've had that have brought joy and humor to my life, and I wanted to share them with you just in case it helps you out. So please join me on this journey with the birds. We'll see new places and new birds.
Here's 4 links I'd like to share with you. The first is our iNaturalist page. The library has one, and we post some of our observations on it. So this is our latest iNaturalist post. It's a photo I took of a beautiful bird. Look at him. Oh, I really wanted to get this bird identified. My coworker thought it might be the common redpoll, and you can see that they listed it when they posted it. So this is the common redpoll. Look at how cute. But do you see how it's got some snow behind there? So if you go over here, you can see that common redpolls are often seen most often in February. And in April, you don't see them very much. So on our page, we had someone suggest that this is actually a house finch. And I'm tempted to believe them because you can see that the house finch is often observed in April, which is when I saw it. And if we take a closer look at one of the pictures, you can see that it has that really cool gradient. Yeah, so you can see the markings sort of on the chest on the sides. So let's move on to our second link that I want to show you. And this is something that I've used while I am working. It is a live stream put on by the Cornell Lab of Ornithology. Oh, I love it. Look at how serene. So it looks like we have some sort of like dove and maybe some sort of crow, raven. I'm not an expert, but we could ask iNaturalist if we felt like it. So you see there's like 6 different feeders. Oh my goodness. So throughout the day, you'll see different birds and sometimes even squirrels come and feed on this feeder complex. It looks like different sort of species or styles of bird like the different feeders. So I think they provide the different feeders for different ways that the birds eat. The 6th feeder is kind of hidden. It is the tube in the middle of the screen. And I've seen sort of woodpecker type birds on that feeder. And it seems like it sort of mimics a tree trunk. The birds will, sort of peck at it. Oh, hey, we have a new friend. Hello. The really cool thing about this stream is it has a great background ambiance. I really like it. And sometimes in the far distance, you can see that duck. So that's one Cornell stream. And we have this stream too. This is a stream of a mating pair of red-tailed hawks that have made their nest in a utility light. I think it's either on a field. I think it's on their football field or something. This one is Arthur, who is the male, and then the female is Big Red. And I've seen that they change shifts around 4 p.m. So like she'll come and she'll start sitting on the eggs and he will fly off. The last thing I checked, they have 3 eggs, but they might have more now. Oh, tired boy. I hear you, bud. Incubating eggs is hard work. And this one has sort of some background noise, but often it's like a bus or like transit noise. So if you like that, that's okay. And then the last link I wanted to share is a link from hoopladigital.com. In my bird mania, I have created a really cool bird and bird watching list of books from Hoopla Digital that you can access with your library card. So if you're interested in any of these books, if they catch your eye, you can visit hoopladigital.com. You can sign up with your library card number and PIN, create an account, and check out some books. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.